Well, hello everybody. It's me again, Artist King here. So happy to be back with another video. And once again, I'm doing a collage art piece, a simple one that you can follow. And as I always say, that you can try something similar to this on your own. But today I wanted to talk a little bit about friendships again. I think I did one of these a couple weeks ago, but I thought about something, because my mind is always going 100 miles an hour. So I remember hearing a pastor say that your job is not the place you go to make friends. Your job is where you go to exchange your labor in return for a paycheck. And I thought about that. And, as time goes on, I see exactly what he's talking about. Because if you are on a job and you are working hard and you make friends you become buddies, you hang out, you do all this stuff with people on your job, and suddenly you get a big promotion, everything changes, because in order to do your job, you can't do things the same way you did it before. You can't be the same person that you were before, because it may be that some of these people, you may have to correct them. You may have to give them instructions. You may have to tell them to do things that they don't necessarily want to do. And they may think, well, we're friends. How can you tell me this or write me up or whatever if we're friends? So I really had to think about that. And over the years, I've learned that sometimes a lot of things you do, when you're trying to be friends with someone, a lot of times that stuff comes back to bite you, and not in a good way. You have to realize that the people you work with are your co-workers. If you make a good friend on there, well, hey, that's up to you. And it may be, if it's a large company and the person is in a different division that you may never have to work with or directly with, that's fine. But when you work in a small company and there's not a whole lot of you guys in the office, so somebody will get promoted, somebody will end up being your boss that probably was your bestie at one time. That's the kind of situation I'm talking about. So one of the things I've learned, and I learned this the hard way the other day, that the people you work with are not your friends. They are your co-workers. And I learned that if you treat them as co-workers, when anything goes down, you're not going to be devastated. You're not going to feel hurt. And you're not going to feel bad, because you're going to think, okay, that's my boss. That's not my buddy. So whatever they say to me that I may not like, I'll get over it. So that's kind of food for thought today, to really think about, to really keep in mind your coworkers are not your friends. The people you work with are your coworkers, not your friends. And remember, guys, this is just my opinion. If you want to make a comment about it, that's fine. I'm okay with that. But what I say on here is my opinion. Okay? So anyway, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you. I believe this is I don't know which video this is, but I will see you. I post on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So whichever day this video lands on, I'll see you the following week. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I hope somebody has been inspired to begin creating today, or to really reevaluate the co-worker relationship. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, well, bye now.